Welcome everybody. Today we're doing old-fashioned popcorn balls, take one, with a twist, because we're using caramel corn instead of just regular popcorn. So, this is how we start. We are using a half a stick of butter, so a quarter cup of butter. Put that in there. And then we're going to use a half a cup of white syrup, corn syrup. Guys, me and Billy was talking, it's like it has been so many years since either of us have had a popcorn ball. And I remember as a kid, we would always, me and my friends, like, oh, we're going to that lady's house who has the popcorn balls first before she runs out. That was always our first one, like, oh. My mom didn't make them much. I mean, she did make them, but just not as often as you want them as a kid, you know?
My mom never made them. I always got it on Halloween. And I look forward to it.
Yeah, so we're trying it here. And I haven't made them, like I said, in years. So, we're giving it a whirl. We both were like, ooh, we want popcorn balls. So we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt also. And we're going to put in 1 cup of sugar. And anymore, I know they put in marshmallows. Some people just make them like you do marshmallow treats. I'm not sure I would be a fan of that. But if that's what you like, that's fine. You could also put a few marshmallows in this if you wanted. And we are even cheating. If you can see the caramel corn here, look at this. We bought this big thing of caramel corn at Menards. And we're like, we haven't been eating it. There's more than that. It was way up to here. I just measured out 12 cups to see if that's what we're going to need. So, we're using that. We're going to see what that does.
With that little bit of caramel in there, should make it even better, right?
Yeah, we'll try. Doesn't hurt to try.
Nah. We like to experiment.
We're even was talking about putting some nuts in that and make it like
Cracker Jack.
Cracker Jacks. It's like, well, but we're just going basic here, right now.
If anybody's ever made them with peanuts, let us know.
Yeah, because he's like, I don't think I've ever had one with peanuts, so I don't know whether we should or not.
But I would like it, I'm sure.
Especially with this caramel. Like
Oh,
you said,
yeah.
we with Cracker Jack.
Oh, my, yeah.
So, but you absolutely pop your own if you want. That's what we would be doing had we not had this sitting around. So it's like,
But we thought, why not make use of it?
yeah, we need to use that instead of letting it get stale, because, you know, we'll eat popcorn balls for sure. So, we're going to stir this continually until we hit 260 degrees.
And we like to make a big pot of popcorn, too.
Well, I gotta make sure I get. I was like, why is that not staying?
Put that on our lap while we're watching a movie.
Yeah.
Can't beat that.
And you never know how much you're gonna eat.
Yeah.
I
You
always
just
like,
eat it till it's all gone.
Yeah, I always like this one because it has that point where you can get in the corners of the pan when you stir it. Billy said, I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do when that one tears up. He said, I'll make you one.
That's right. I can duplicate that.
We've been selling us wood stuff this week. We've been going crazy selling goodies and wood. And
We sold 5 trays, a noodle board, a band box I made, somebody wanted. I don't know why they call them band boxes. They're just a round.
show him that one. But, yeah, when he called it a band box, I'm like, what is that? And this, we just put Waverly on it the year it was established. It hadn't been open for a while. I can and there it's inside. The lid comes off. So that's what they are. They're called band boxes. And then we can put stuff on them like that. Well, look at that pattern on that wood. Isn't that cool?
That's maple out of our tree.
So he's just using stuff we have around the house. As I say, use what you got, guys. Or free stuff.
Yeah, we lost a big limb out of it last year. And so I cut it up, and it's been laying there all year. And so finally it's dry enough now that I could use it. So I turned that on the lathe, and
It looks cool.
it's fun to make that stuff.
I have one that he made. It's a bigger one, and has a lid on it. And I put cotton balls in it. I take off my makeup at night with cotton balls, and I just leave
And I
them in.
made that one over there. It's got all our utensils in it. She's always wanting me to make her something. Of course, I do the same to her.
Yeah. Make me this.
Will you make me some fudge?
I've been craving this.
Can I get some chocolate chip cookies? And she makes it. Because that's what she enjoys doing. And the woodworking's what I enjoy doing. And then, of course, I enjoy eating the food. So.
And we got a wall that he's getting ready to put some boards up on so we can hang some of the iron skillets on and get some of my stuff up. I've got so much bowls and stuff just sitting around. We need to declutter a little bit, get some out and rearrange.
And I've made her 2 rolling pins, so I need to make a rack to hold all the rolling pins I'm making her.
Charcuterie boards, cutting boards.
Oh my.
I don't know if they've seen the Ohio State tray. You want to bring that and show it here in front of me? Because I'm getting up here. I don't want to let go of this. See that? Ohio State with Brutus and the Buckeye leaf. That's kind of cool. We're almost at 250, so it didn't take long for this to get up there. Like I said, I'm guessing on the 12 cups, so I still have to get out some wax paper or parchment paper. I'll probably use parchment. I already got some of that cut. Get me some butter or spray and put on my hands to... Woo.
Mold them.
Yeah.
Just don't touch it when it's still too hot.
Yeah. I got burnt on my wrist the other day on the air fryer. I've had an air fryer for years and I got burnt. Like, you'd think I would know better.
Nah.
Alright, we are there.
Well, that was quick.
Yeah, how long? What's the time on that?
8 minutes.
8 minutes. That didn't take long, did it? Alright, I'm going to pour 12 cups in there. And
You think you got enough stuff for it, huh? Baking soda and vanilla.
Yeah, I'm putting in a half a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of vanilla. Pour so. That's how peanut brittle does.
Mm-hmm. Did it sizzle?
It sizzled. Definitely sizzled. So let's see if we can get that in here. Pour that on there. If we need more popcorn, I got it handy. We can just put it in there. That smells like like I'm remembering. Now I got it on my fingers already. It's a little hot. So let's try to get this all stirred up in there.
Did you have enough liquid?
Yeah. Just gotta get it moving. See, it's on one spot. You gotta get it moving.
And that's big popcorn, so that'll be good sized balls.
There's no kernels. You try to make sure you don't have any kernels so nobody cracks a tooth. Alright. Let's see if we can
I think you got her.
form some of those. and it's hot, guys.
I was going to say, you might want to let that cool a little bit.
Well, you got to get it tore apart, get it formed before it does cool, or you're just going to have one big sheet, which would be okay too.
Yeah.
We wouldn't mind that. Try to get them pressed in there.
It looks like a popcorn ball.
It does. Got some flyaways. Who gets the pan on this one? You?
I don't know.
Press them together.
Press them tight.
Yep.
Oops.
Okay. All right, let's pause here and let me get these done up. All right, guys, for the finale. All right, so this is what we have here. Nothing uniform, you know, small, big, whatever. And we do have some left in the bowl that I didn't work quick enough, you know. It's still got some candy on it because we were eating it. We're like, well, that's so good. We're going to sit down in front of the TV here in a little bit and eat that. Plus all these probably. But they are delicious. With this caramel corn, the easy way out, guys.
Oh, yeah.
And oh, look, this has a bunch on it right here. That has a bunch. I didn't work fast enough, so it's set up. So I'd probably do 10 cups maybe to that mixture. Here we go.
Well, this is a bigger corn, too, than normal.
Yeah,
so.
it is bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger kernel.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't know if this will even last. When we start sitting down there tonight, start chomping on this. So good. Oh, you want to come around and try it, Billy? He's like, nope, but...
Maybe next time.
Guys, you got to help me get him on this side of the camera.
You're the camera person. I just...
No!
I'm behind the scenes.
Look, see? You ain't have to bite it off. It's already just tear off right there. I tore it off. And this one has all the stuff on it.
You're the pretty one. You stay on camera.
Yeah. Too bad for you. I get all the good stuff on this one. Look. All right, guys. I probably got all over my face.
Easy for you to say. And I did taste a piece of it. It's very good.
Try this. See, I got it on my face.
I don't see it.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Old-fashioned caramel popcorn balls. Easy way.
And so good.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.